name's Keith Pitcher. This is Fedwin Pods. We've just been here 6 months and have basically reinstating some glamping pods that were here before. So we've got Blue Energy doing some work for us. The power to the pods needs upgrading, so we're running a new line in, and they're doing some extra work for us as well, setting up proper power to our alarms and just upgrading everything to make sure it's all safe as we want it all to be.
We approached by Keith over the phone to come look at some electrical work that needed immediate attention, and we found electrical faults, problems that need to be rectified. So as I inspected the electrical installation, we found there to be flaws. What we're doing today is we've running the armoured cable ready for the pods. We're just connecting up now, running the cables in the lofts ready for the new boards. So what we've done today is we've replaced the cable that is feeding the water pump due to a fault in the IR test. So we're going to come off the reception board through a junction box. The armour cable is in the ground, buried in the trench already. The cable is coming into the consumer unit because the customer wants a feed up to the water pump, and he wants sockets in the container as well. We've got 2 SWA cables coming in. One is the feed from the sub-main in the reception DB, and the second SWA cable coming in is the actual feed then for the pump, the water pump in the other container. And then on one side we've got double socket, and on the other side we've got another double socket with a double socket for outside as well. And then we run the cable then up, surface mounted, across around the fence, 45 metres up to the container, where the container's got a rotary isolator with 2 sockets for the 2 pumps. So on this install itself, we've actually got the customer to make a concrete plinth for us, so we can mount our uni-struck brackets with the feet and the kiosk. This is actually, inside the kiosk, is the consumer unit for the 3 pods behind us. So if I open it up, we've actually got the consumer unit in here. The 4 circuits, they're all marked up. Pod 1, 2, 3, and the customer wants the socket inside. So if they do any strimming or anything like that, we've got the socket available without going inside the pod in case anyone's in there. Due to the location of the consumer unit being 45 metres away from the sub-board, we've had to put an earth spike in, so obviously the earth fault path will go through the TT system into the earth. And around the back end we've got the cables, and they're buried inside that out-the-theme piping. At the back of each pod then we'll have a 16 amp commando socket for each one, so each feed's got its own RCBO.